Guess what today is? Today is the day we get to decorate. And it's Vlogmas day 1. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. I feel like we all deserve to go so over the top this year that we just don't even know what we're doing with our lives, because this has been a year. So I'm decorating. I'm gonna do the whole thing and I'm so excited. I just can't even tell you how happy I am this morning. I woke up knowing today is the day. So it's gonna take so much work though, because I went a little OTT last year in the Target decorations aisle, and I'm doing exactly like I did last year, but I'm also gonna do a decor tour just so that you guys can see everything and see how it all works out. Last year I put those stickers on the mirror that said Merry Christmas, and I bought 2 extra, so I have 2 for this year, but that means one of the bathrooms doesn't get one because I put one at the entryway. So I'm like, do I skip the entryway? I think I'm gonna do the entryway for sure, and then just one of the bathrooms won't have one, but I'm very excited, so let's get cracking. Are you my helper? Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
Wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. I'll pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present, come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Then you know it's Christmas when the snow starts to fall. Then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. Then you know it's Christmas 'cause Santa's on his way. We stand under the mistletoe and then it's Christmas Day. The joyful times we witness forever stays with us. Soon Rudolph hears his whistle and gathers all his friends. When Santa and his missus wraps the final gift, you know it's time for Christmas for each and every one. And you know it's Christmas when the snow starts to fall. And then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. And then you know it's Christmas 'cause Santa's on his way. We stand under the mistletoe and then it's Christmas.
I feel like I am really starting to hit a lull where I'm like, oh, I'm getting so tired. I want to get the stocking holders up and the garland, and then I'm gonna clean the bookcase and like organize what I'm doing on the actual bookcase. But I want to get these up because I have to turn the fan and the light off in order to do it, because it's quite close and I don't want to chop my own head off. So yeah, I'm gonna do it up here. That's where the garland and the stockings will go.
All ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, adore him. Come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord. Sing choirs of angels singing.
I can't actually decide if I like the little burlap Christmas trees up here or not. I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, I don't know. I feel like I need to put something on top of the stockings because the stocking holder is just really plain. See how it's just this like flat thing? I have mini trees I could put up there. Let me see about those. I honestly don't know because they blend in so much there. What do you guys think? Which one should we do? Or should we just leave them both up there? See if I can get away from the fan. I don't know. Oh my goodness, day one is huge. It is the Revolution Face Quad. Oh, that's so nice. Look at how nice that is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this. Looks so pretty. These look very marbled, kind of like the Hourglass palette. And it's got a really nice big mirror. Love that. Alright guys, I am just out of the bath. I just crawled into bed. I've got my Switch here and I'm gonna play some Animal Crossing, or maybe actually I think it's gonna be Luigi's Mansion. I beat that game within like 2 days of getting it earlier this year, but I'm still so obsessed with it, so I just keep creating. Oh, this is so embarrassing. I keep creating new games to beat it again. And like every time I'm like, oh, this time I'm gonna make sure I get all the jewels, I get all the cash, all the coins. I need to get a life, but I can't have one because my state has very strict protocols. So anywho's, I hope you guys enjoyed day one of Vlogmas. I really hope you guys like the Vlogmas style of it this year, because sometimes finding 25 videos to put up every day for 25 days is a little bit difficult, because you don't want to be rehashing the same thing over and over and over, and it's boring for you guys, it's boring for me. And I actually got so many of you guys saying you missed my vlogs, so here we are. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.